Today, we're diving into the powerhouse of expansion, the HPE DL Gen10 X8 x16 X8 Riser Kit. With its impressive array of features, this kit stands tall in the realm of server upgrades. Equipped with 3 PCI Express x16 and PCI Express x8 slots, it's a dream come true for those seeking enhanced versatility and performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a seasoned IT professional, the potential this kit unlocks is boundless. Let's talk compatibility. Designed for seamless integration with HP servers, particularly those powered by AMD processors like the 5x86, this riser kit ensures optimal performance and reliability. The marriage between the CPU and this expansion powerhouse is a match made in tech heaven. And with a CPU speed of 1 and cache size of 1, the synergy between components is nothing short of extraordinary. Now, let's delve into the real star of the show, the PCI Express slots. With 3 x16 slots and an x8 slot, the expansion possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking to enhance graphics capabilities, add high-speed networking cards, or incorporate storage expansion cards, this riser kit has you covered. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to unprecedented scalability. Installation is a breeze, thanks to HP's user-friendly design. Even for those new to server upgrades, the process is straightforward and hassle-free. Within minutes, you'll be ready to unleash the full potential of your server, transforming it into a powerhouse of productivity. In conclusion, the HPE DL Gen10 X8 x16 X8 Riser Kit is a game-changer in the world of server expansion. Its robust features, seamless compatibility, and effortless installation make it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their server performance to new heights. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, investing in this riser kit is a decision you won't regret. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.